I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
Start by preparing 500 g raw prawns. Peel shells, remove veins, and pat each prawn dry with paper towels to ensure a good sear. Place the prawns in a bowl and season with 1 teaspoon salt and 1 tablespoon fresh lemon juice. Toss gently, and let them rest for 5 minutes to absorb flavor. Meanwhile, mince 3 cloves of garlic very finely and chop 2 tablespoons of fresh parsley to use as garnish after cooking. Heat a large skillet over medium-high heat and add 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter with 1 tablespoon of olive oil to raise the smoke point. When the butter foams and the pan is hot, add prawns in a single layer and sear for 2 to 3 minutes per side until opaque and slightly golden. Do not overcrowd. In the last 30 seconds of cooking, push prawns aside and add the minced garlic so it softens and flavors the butter without burning. Once the garlic is fragrant, remove the skillet from direct heat and immediately add 1 tablespoon fresh lemon juice and 2 tablespoons chopped parsley, tossing the prawns in the residual heat so flavors marry without overcooking. Aim for a total cook time of about 6 to 8 minutes. Transfer to a warmed platter and let rest 2 minutes so juices redistribute. Serve the butter garlic prawns right away with crusty bread, steamed rice, or pasta to soak up the sauce, and offer lemon wedges for extra brightness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.